case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Haig v. Agee, which centered around the question of whether the government can revoke someone's passport if their activities overseas could harm national security or foreign policy. The case involved Philip Agee, a former CIA employee who had his passport revoked by the Secretary of State in 1979. Agee sued the Secretary, claiming the regulation used to revoke his passport was invalid and violated his constitutional rights. Agee had been on a mission to expose the identities of CIA agents and employees to drive them out of countries where they were operating. He regularly traveled to foreign countries and identified individuals and organizations as undercover CIA agents, violating his contract not to divulge any information without clearance by the agency. His actions and disclosures had caused damage to U.S. intelligence operations and resulted in violent episodes against the persons and organizations identified. The court examined whether the revocation of Agee's passport exceeded the Secretary's statutory powers and violated his constitutional rights. The court determined that the regulation for revoking Agee's passport wasn't authorized by Congress, so the Secretary lacked that power. On this basis, the court overturned the previous decision and returned the case for further review.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.